Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using both Jira and Confluence for your projects, you already know how powerful Atlassian tools can be, but here's something that can take your workflow to the next level, creating Jira issues directly from your Confluence pages. In this full 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to do that. Fast, simple, and super efficient. So stick around till the end because this integration can literally save you hours every week. Let's start from Jira Go to your Jira dashboard by signing in through your Atlassian account URL. This is where you can view all your ongoing projects, tasks, and boards, basically your command center. Now in the top left corner, you'll see a grid icon made up of 9 small squares. That's your Atlassian app launcher. Click on it and select Confluence. This will take you straight into the workspace where your team collaborates, documents plans, and records project progress. Once you're in Confluence, click on the Create button, choose Page as your content type. This is where you'll build the document or project plan you want to connect with Jira. Give your page a clear and descriptive title, for example, Website Launch Plan or Sprint 12 Retrospective. Then start adding your content or pick from one of Confluence's built-in templates like one-on-one meetings, project trackers, or retrospectives. These templates are a huge time saver and look clean right out of the box. When your page is ready, copy the page link. This link is the bridge that connects Confluence and Jira. You'll use it to reference your Confluence page directly inside a Jira issue, giving your team instant access to all the context they need. Finally, don't forget to publish your page. If you leave it unpublished, no one else can see it, which limits collaboration. Once published, it becomes visible to your whole team and can now be linked or used to create Jira issues instantly. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a Jira issue straight from a Confluence page. This simple connection keeps your documentation and tasks perfectly aligned. No more switching back and forth or losing context. If this guide helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more productivity tutorials, and let me know in the comments what other Jira or Confluence tips you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.